Master TOEFL Speaking. Resources Unveiled. Hello learners. Speaking a language fluently is crucial, and for many of you taking the TOEFL test, the speaking section might be the most challenging. Today, we'll delve into the best resources to help you ace the TOEFL speaking section. So, grab your notes, and let's get started. Speaking isn't just about pronunciation, it's about fluency, intonation, and confidence. TOEFL Speaking specifically tests your ability to communicate in academic and everyday situations. Therefore, having the right resources to practice is imperative to your success. Before diving into the resources, it's essential to understand what you're up against. The TOEFL speaking section is divided into 4 tasks. 1. Read, listen, speak. Here, you'll read a short passage, listen to a short lecture, and then speak about them. 2. Listen, speak. You'll listen to a conversation and then answer a question about it. 3. Read, listen, speak. Academic topic. Similar to the first, but based on academic content. 4. Listen, speak. Academic topic. Another conversation, but with a more academic focus. Knowing the structure will allow you to utilize your resources more effectively. Now, to the heart of today's video. Here are some resource types to consider. 1. TOEFL practice books. While this is a digital age, traditional TOEFL books often offer practice tests and CD recordings to simulate the real testing environment. 2. Mobile apps. There are apps specifically designed for TOEFL speaking. They provide prompts, sample answers, and even opportunities to record your responses. 3. Online platforms. Many websites offer free TOEFL speaking questions and some with AI-based feedback. Don't forget to join forums where test takers share their experiences and tips. 4. Language exchange partners. Consider finding a partner who's also preparing for TOEFL. Practicing with a peer can boost confidence and provide constructive feedback. 5. Tutors. If you can, consider investing in a tutor, especially one specializing in TOEFL. They can guide you, correct your mistakes, and provide real-time feedback. Remember, the key is consistency. Regular practice with these resources can make a massive difference in your performance. 1. Simulate real test conditions. Always try to recreate the TOEFL test conditions when practicing, such as using headphones and setting a timer. 2. Focus on your weaknesses. While it's good to practice everything, give extra attention to the parts you find challenging. 3. Get feedback. Always seek feedback, whether from peers, teachers, or even AI tools. Knowing where you went wrong will help you improve. That wraps up our guide on TOEFL speaking resources. Remember, speaking is a skill, and like all skills, it improves with practice. With the right resources and determination, you'll be able to face the TOEFL speaking section with confidence. Best of luck, and keep practicing.